How to configure a portal template using Ruijie Cloud, version 1.2. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. Enter your account and password to log into Ruijie Cloud. Choose Auth and Accounts, Authentication, Captive Portal. Click Add Captive Portal. Click Add Page to add a portal template. The system supports the following two configuration methods. Configure the basic information of the captive portal. Enter the portal name. Set setting mode to default and configure the portal page manually. Select the login option. One-click login allows you to log in without entering your username and password. You can also customize the access duration, number of login times per day, maximum upload rate and maximum download rate. You can set a random string of 6 to 9 characters as access code when adding a voucher. Account login requires you to log in with a username and password. SMS login requires the phone number and code. If registration is selected, you can register a new account. Click Edit to customize the parameters required for registering a new account. By toggling on the Show Balance page switch, you can view the available duration, usage times, and data. Post-login URL indicates the URL that is displayed after portal authentication. In the Portal Visual Settings pane, configure the visual information of the portal page, such as the logo style, background image, welcome message, and advertisement content. Click OK. After the portal page generates successfully, click Share to share the portal page with other projects. Click Shared Portals to view portal pages shared across all projects. Enter the portal name. Set setting mode to HTML customization and configure basic information of a portal page using a template. Click Download Template. Open the package and edit the corresponding files. After the editing is complete, compress the files into a zip file. Click Upload to upload the .zip file. Preview the portal design on the mobile or desktop. After confirming that the configuration is correct, click OK. A custom portal page is displayed.
Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.